In this video, we listed the 5 coolest home gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, Crestfield Computer Desk. The Crestfield 32, 39, 47-inch computer desk is a modern and functional desk designed for home offices, study areas, and workspaces. This study writing table features adjustable feet for stability on uneven surfaces, making it a practical choice for various home environments. Its sleek, minimalist design blends well with contemporary home decor, and its brand finish gives it a warm and professional look. Given the user's interest in gaming laptops, home security systems, and DIY tools, this desk could serve as a versatile workstation for both productivity and leisure. It can accommodate a gaming setup, a work-from-home office, or even function as a DIY workspace for small projects. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, and the available size options, 32, 39, and 47 inches, allow users to choose a size that best fits their space. Product 2. Product name, Hunter Crestfield Ceiling Fan. The Hunter Crestfield Indoor Low-Profile Ceiling Fan is a stylish and functional addition to compact indoor spaces. Designed for rooms with low ceilings, this 42-inch ceiling fan features a noble bronze finish, complementing various home decor styles. It includes an integrated LED light, providing efficient illumination while maintaining a sleek look. This fan is operated via a pull chain control, allowing for easy adjustments to speed and lighting. Its whisper-quiet motor ensures optimal airflow without excessive noise, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or small offices. The low-profile design is perfect for spaces where ceiling height is a concern, ensuring effective air circulation without taking up unnecessary space. If you are looking for a reliable and aesthetically pleasing ceiling fan that balances functionality and design, the Hunter Crestfield is a great choice. Product 3. Product name, Glorium H3B Floor Lamp. The Glorium H3B Floor Lamp is a modern and versatile lighting solution designed for living rooms, bedrooms, and offices. It features a stepless dimmable function, allowing users to adjust brightness levels smoothly according to their preferences. The lamp's color temperature range of 2700K to 6500K enables warm, neutral, and cool lighting options, making it suitable for various settings, whether for cozy ambient lighting or bright task illumination. A key feature of the Glorium H3B is its rotatable lamp head, providing flexibility to direct light precisely where it's needed, which is particularly useful for reading, working, or highlighting a space. The included remote control adds convenience, allowing users to adjust brightness and color temperature from a distance without manually operating the lamp. This floor lamp complements the user's interest in home appliances and smart accessories, particularly in modern and functional lighting solutions. Its sleek and minimalist design makes it an ideal addition to contemporary interiors, aligning with the user's preferences for high-quality, efficient home essentials. Product 4. Product name, Clothes Drying Rack. A clothes drying rack is an essential household accessory designed for efficient drying of clothes while saving space. The laundry space saver wall-mounted, retractable, collapsible, tri-fold, white color rack offers a practical solution for homes with limited space. This wall-mounted drying rack can be installed in laundry rooms, balconies, or bathrooms, providing a sturdy and convenient spot for air-drying garments. Key features: wall-mounted and space-saving, the tri-fold design allows it to be retracted when not in use, making it ideal for compact spaces. Retractable and collapsible, easily extend the rack when needed and fold it back to maintain a clutter-free area. Durable and sturdy construction, built with high-quality materials to support multiple clothing items without sagging. White color and modern aesthetic, a sleek design that blends well with various interior styles. Multi-purpose use, suitable for drying delicate fabrics, baby clothes, towels, and lightweight garments. Product 5. Product name, Tiley Extra Large Moving Bags. The TAILI extra large moving bags are a practical and durable solution for storage and transportation, especially for users who need heavy-duty totes as an alternative to traditional moving boxes. This 4-pack set features a blue design with visible windows, allowing users to easily identify contents without opening the bags. The wraparound handles provide enhanced support and durability, making them ideal for moving, organizing, and space-saving storage. For users already interested in home organization, household tools, and outdoor gear, these tiny moving bags can be a great addition for storing seasonal items, packing gaming accessories, or organizing household essentials. Their heavy-duty construction ensures reliability, and their versatility makes them useful for camping, travel, and even storing larger kitchen appliances. Product 6. Product name: Shoe Slots Organizer. The Shoe Slots Organizer, 20-pack, is an innovative solution designed to maximize closet space and keep your shoes neatly organized. With these shoe stackers, you can save up to 50% of the space typically used for shoe storage. Each pair of shoes is neatly held in place with a 4-level adjustable design that accommodates various shoe sizes, from sneakers to heels. The thickened double-layer structure ensures durability and stability, keeping your shoes safely stacked without risk of collapse. The sleek white finish complements any closet decor, offering a clean and minimalist look. These organizers are perfect for anyone looking to declutter their wardrobe while optimizing space, making them a great addition to homes with limited closet room or for those who own multiple pairs of shoes. Product 7. Product name: QJect X Large Shoe Storage Boxes. The QJect X Large Shoe Storage Boxes are an excellent solution for organizing footwear, offering a sleek and functional storage option. This 12-pack set of clear plastic stackable boxes is designed to keep your shoes neat and easily accessible, making it a great substitute for traditional shoe racks or holders. The large size is ideal for sneakers, but also versatile enough for storing other items like toys or miscellaneous household goods. These boxes are perfect for placing in various spaces, such as the entryway, closet, or under the bed, optimizing your storage area while keeping things tidy. The clear design allows you to quickly spot the shoes or items you need without opening each box, and the stackable feature ensures that they can be neatly arranged in a way that saves space. Whether you're storing seasonal footwear or organizing your entire shoe collection, the QJect X Large Shoe Storage Boxes provide both durability and convenience for home organization. Additionally, their black color adds a stylish touch that complements most modern interiors. Product 8. Product name: Puconk Electric Indoor Grill. The Puconk Electric Indoor Grill is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines convenience and high-performance grilling for indoor use. With its 2-in-1 design, it comes with both a grill net and a non-stick removable cooking plate, allowing you to switch between grilling and griddling with ease. The grill features temperature control, giving you the ability to adjust heat levels for different types of food, ensuring even cooking every time. Equipped with a 1500W heating element, this grill delivers powerful performance, reaching optimal cooking temperatures quickly. One of the standout features of this indoor grill is its smokeless operation, making it ideal for use in homes where ventilation may be limited. The removable cooking plates are dishwasher safe, adding an extra layer of convenience by making cleanup quick and easy. Product 9. Product name: Baker's Friend Breakfast Sandwich Maker. The Baker's Friend Breakfast Sandwich Maker is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the functionality of a non-stick electric griddle and grill into one compact unit. This 3-in-1 breakfast station is perfect for making egg muffin sandwiches, burgers, hot dogs, and pancakes, offering a range of options for quick, tasty meals. The appliance includes a burger press, tongs, and a brush for easy cleanup, making it user-friendly and convenient for anyone looking to prepare a variety of breakfast dishes with minimal effort. With its non-stick surface, the sandwich maker ensures even cooking and easy food release, while the electric griddle allows for adjustable temperature control, ensuring optimal results for different food items. Whether you're making a hearty breakfast sandwich or a batch of pancakes, this tool provides the flexibility and ease needed to cook multiple types of food at once. Product 10. Product name: Vipec R2 Plus Rolling Garment Rack. The Vipec R2 Plus rolling garment rack is a versatile and heavy-duty clothing storage solution designed for both residential and commercial use. Featuring a 3-tier adjustable wire shelving system, this rack offers ample space to store and organize clothes, shoes, and accessories. It is equipped with double rods for hanging garments, allowing users to maximize vertical storage while keeping clothes easily accessible. The side hooks provide additional storage options for bags, hats, or scarves, making it perfect for those who need extra organization. Constructed from metal, the rack is sturdy and durable, able to withstand daily wear and tear. Its freestanding design makes it ideal for homes, boutiques, or any space that requires a flexible wardrobe storage solution. The rolling wheels allow for easy mobility, enabling users to move the rack to different areas of the home or office effortlessly. Product 11. Product name 54.8-foot Sleeper Sofa Bed. The 54.8-foot Sleeper Sofa Bed 3-in-1 convertible couch is a versatile and modern piece of furniture that perfectly complements your living room. This sofa not only serves as a comfortable seating option, but it can also be easily transformed into a bed, offering a practical solution for guests. The pull-out bed feature makes it a perfect space-saving choice for smaller apartments or homes, providing additional sleeping space when needed. The reclining backrest adds another level of comfort, allowing you to adjust it to your preferred angle for lounging or relaxing. For added convenience, the sofa comes with storage pockets, offering a smart place to store remotes, magazines, or other essentials, keeping the area neat and organized. Finished in a sleek gray color, this sofa adds a modern, minimalist touch to any room. The set also includes toss pillows, enhancing the aesthetic appeal while ensuring maximum comfort. Whether you're looking for a cozy spot to unwind or an extra bed for visitors, this 3-in-1 convertible couch makes an excellent addition to your living space. Product 12. Product name Clear Storage Bin with Lid. Their Clear Storage Bin with Lid 3-pack is an ideal solution for organizing and decluttering various spaces such as bedrooms, living rooms, studies, and toy rooms. Each bin has a 23-quart capacity and features a stackable design, allowing for efficient use of vertical space. Made from sturdy plastic, these bins offer durability and are built to last, even with frequent use. The bins come with a secure lid that keeps contents protected from dust and debris, making them perfect for long-term storage. A standout feature is the magnetic door, which provides easy access to stored items while keeping everything securely contained. The bins are versatile, suitable for storing everything from household items to toys and office supplies, and their folding design makes them convenient to store when not in use. Whether for organizing your living space or managing seasonal items, these bins offer a functional, space-saving solution. Their clear design also allows you to easily see the contents, eliminating the need to open every box to find what you're looking for. Product 13. Product name Hamilton Beach Belgian Waffle Maker. The Hamilton Beach Belgian Waffle Maker 26031 is a versatile kitchen appliance perfect for creating fluffy, golden Belgian waffles with ease. It features removable PFAS-free Durathan non-stick coated plates, making it easy to cook and clean after each use. The easy flip design ensures evenly cooked waffles by allowing you to flip the waffle maker to achieve the desired crispiness and texture. The ceramic grids ensure even heat distribution for perfectly cooked waffles every time. Its black exterior adds a sleek touch to any kitchen, and the plates are dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup. The Hamilton Beach Belgian Waffle Maker is a great addition to your kitchen for breakfast enthusiasts or anyone looking for a convenient and effective waffle making tool. Product 14. Product name QEEIG Black Bathroom Shelves. The QEEIG Black Bathroom Shelves are a stylish and functional addition to any bathroom, designed to provide convenient storage solutions while enhancing the overall decor. This set of 3 floating shelves, each measuring 16 inches, is perfect for installation over the toilet, maximizing vertical space without occupying too much room. The farmhouse-inspired design combines a sleek black finish with a rustic charm, making it a versatile fit for a variety of bathroom styles. These wall-mounted shelves are ideal for storing essentials like toilet paper, toiletries, and other bathroom accessories. Their compact size ensures that they don't overwhelm the space, while the open design allows for easy access to items. The sturdy construction and wall mounting feature ensure that the shelves remain securely in place. Product 15. Product name SNSLXH 5-Pack Stackable Closet Organizer Box. The SNSLXH 5-Pack Stackable Closet Organizer Box is a versatile and practical storage solution, ideal for keeping various items organized and easily accessible in your home. Perfect for use in bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, or wardrobes, this set of stackable and foldable storage baskets helps to optimize space in your closet or storage area. The organizer boxes are designed to help you sort and store clothes, towels, accessories, and other household items in a neat and efficient manner. These baskets are space-saving, as their stackable design allows for efficient use of vertical storage, and their foldable feature makes them easy to store when not in use. Their white color provides a clean, neutral aesthetic that can blend seamlessly with various decor styles. Product 16. Product name Countertop Organizer. The Countertop Organizer organization is a versatile, 3-tier movable corner shelf designed to enhance organization in various spaces, such as kitchens, bathrooms, coffee areas, spice racks, or dresser tables. With its rustic brown finish, this organizer combines functionality and aesthetic appeal, allowing you to optimize your countertop space. Whether placed in the kitchen for spices, on a bathroom countertop for toiletries, or in the living room for decor, this shelf maximizes storage in compact areas. The movable feature makes it easy to adjust according to your needs, and its corner design helps utilize often overlooked spaces. This type of organization tool is perfect for those looking to declutter and make their spaces more efficient while maintaining a stylish look. Product 17. Product name Furology Kitchen Baker's Rack. The Furology Kitchen Baker's Rack is a versatile and functional addition to any kitchen, designed to offer ample storage and organization with a rustic touch. It features 4 tiers of shelving, providing plenty of space for storing kitchen essentials such as spices, pots, and other cooking tools. Their microwave oven stand ensures easy access to your microwave while also adding extra storage space below. A key highlight of this rack is the built-in power outlet, allowing you to conveniently plug in your microwave or other appliances, making it ideal for small kitchen spaces where power sources may be limited. The 6 S-hooks are perfect for hanging utensils, mugs, or small kitchen tools, enhancing the rack's storage capacity. The combination of rustic brown finish and practical design makes it both an attractive and highly functional piece of furniture for any kitchen or coffee bar area, perfectly complementing your baking tools, spices, and other household kitchen appliances. Product 18. Product name Vapch's 64.8-inch tall Farmhouse Corner Cabinet. The Vapch's 64.8-inch tall Farmhouse Corner Cabinet is a stylish and functional addition to any home, perfect for spaces that need extra storage. With its barn door design, this cabinet brings a charming farmhouse touch while offering practical organization. It features 4 doors and 5 storage shelves, providing ample room for storing various items, whether it's kitchen essentials, living room accessories, or laundry supplies. Its compact design is ideal for corner spaces, helping to maximize room layout while minimizing clutter. The cabinet's gray finish adds a modern yet rustic appeal, making it versatile enough to blend into different home decors. Whether placed in the living room, kitchen, or laundry room, it serves as an excellent home space saver, keeping items neatly stored and easily accessible. Its design ensures both aesthetics and functionality, making it a great choice for those seeking both style and efficient storage solutions in their homes.